Hi there, I'm Linda Lamasverda, producer of Central Texas Gardener. We all know how nature calms us, whether we're working in the garden or taking a walk in the woods. Emily Manderson knows this from a personal and professional outlook as she explores our resilient nature, especially during challenging times. Emily, it is so wonderful to see you again. You worked with the environment for over 15 years, from Austin to Houston and beyond. Tell us about that.
Sure. I started out at the Lady Bird Johnson Wildflower Center, and I was a senior environmental designer there, and got an amazing opportunity to work with some wonderful people doing what we called cutting edge environmental design. We worked with a lot of landscape architects, and we're able to say we didn't want to do anything that was just norm. We wanted to really push the envelope in terms of sustainability, and was just thrown in with big experience there. And then transitioned to the conservation director at the Houston Arboretum Nature Center, where I started out as a consultant from the Wildflower Center, and now the director there, and been part of the process of implementing a master plan that was about, we had a hurricane and drought and lost a lot of trees. So it's about making the site more resilient in the face of future climate change.
And why is it so important for us to create these earth connections?
So that's what I've been doing at a large scale professionally, is connecting people with the environment. And what I've been doing personally, and what I want to start sharing with other people, is doing that more at the intimate personal level. And I think it's because we are nature. We're not separate. It is part of who we are. And especially now, I think we're being asked to awaken even more to who we are, and become, listen more deeply and grow. And I think we do that definitely. There's a lot of science behind the soothing components of being in nature, but really um, calling ourselves out at a deeper level of doing that. And I think nature is the way to help us get there.
And through our resilient nature, you're able to do this wherever you are. If you're sitting at home, if you're in a park, wherever you are, give us an example. Show us how we can do that connection, create that connection without even leaving home.
Sure. Well, I'm here on my rooftop little space, and definitely right now, while we can't be traveling as much as we like to, it's just a simple practice of slowing down, and let's just take some deep breaths in and out from the belly. So you breathe in, bring the belly out. As you exhale, bring the belly in. Rooting down into the ground, to the earth, rooting up to the sky. And just slowing down to the pace of the cloud. You can feel your heartbeat. You put your hands on your chest. You feel your heartbeat with the pace of the sun. With each inhale in, send yourself love. Then each inhale out, send love out. spending a little time each day here in this very powerful heart space. Rooting down again, rooting up, rooting your energy in front of you, behind you, to your side, creating your sacred space inside and outside.
That was truly lovely. You know, Emily, sometimes I start the day or end the day or in the middle of the day if I feel challenged or frustrated or worried. I go to your Instagram account and watch one of your meditations or just look at some of the beautiful pictures you post and your beautiful words. So tell us, how can people follow you on Instagram?
I started it with the start of COVID. And like I said, it's been a desire of mine to offer services in this way. And I just felt, if not now, when? And so I just felt very called to show up and share myself this way. And it's been very affirming for me. It's felt very, every time that I do it, it feels really wonderful. And I just, um, it's very organic. And as I'm going through my own learning and processing, especially in this time, I'm trying to share that and just messages that I'm hearing that I think could help other people share this as well.
You certainly have. And I thank you very much. We'll be seeing you again. Right now, I hope that people will go and take a look outside and enjoy the rest of their day. Thank you, Emily.
Thank you.